Hello and welcome to Purple Lotus Yoga. I'm Shannon Codwell, a 2 decades plus yoga practitioner and teacher. For the best advice and tips on teaching yoga and deepening your practice, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get my latest uploads. In this video, I'm focusing on the instruction of bound angle posture. Let's dive in. For bound angle, you're going to want to start in a comfortable seated position. I'm going to demonstrate both the yang and the yin version. In yang, this is often referred to as bound angle, butterfly, cobblers, and of course it's Sanskrit.
Baddha Konasana. Baddha Konasana.
Yin is most often referred to as butterfly. In either version, you're going to want to start in a comfortable position where you feel balanced left side to right side, front to back. From there, you're going to bring the soles of your feet together and you're going to let your knees butterfly open. In yang classes, we're focusing on the strength and the stamina, so you may be cued to lift tall, have a straight spine, and then hinge forward or folding forward until you begin to feel the sensation throughout your lower body. In yin, remember, we're less concerned about the rigidity and we allow some softening to happen. In butterfly, the stretch is primarily concentrated in the lower body. That doesn't mean you won't feel something in the upper body, but for yin, we want to relax the upper body so that it can fully concentrate in on the lower body. So we may be a little looser, we may be a little rounder in the back as we begin to fold and hinge forward. Benefits of bound angle. Obviously, you're going to feel some stretch and intensity in the lower body. That could be your inner thighs. That could be your outer hips. It might be in your lower back. You might experience bound angle in a different part of your body. And if you do, that's okay. Some cautions when you're practicing bound angle. Individuals who have hip issues and knee issues, they may not be able to do that full rotation, that full butterflying open. For people with low back issues, they may need to stay more in an upright position versus folding forward. Some variations for bound angle. We can just take the basic stretch here, or we could begin to add on, maybe bringing in a twist to each side, or maybe perhaps a stretch side to side. Or a favorite of mine, bringing in just some gentle torso rotations. Adapting the pose. Some things that you can do to alleviate intensity for individuals. We can start by sitting on a blanket, folded into your quarters or however high you would like the blanket to be. And then you would sit on to the blanket. By elevating the hips, it decreases the degree of intensity here at the crease between your hips and your thighs. Some other adaptations that you can do, you can use blocks up underneath the knees. That's going to help decrease gravity's influence on the stretch. And then if you have someone who's had a hip replacement, whether full or partial, and they can't do a full external rotation on that side, then we can just extend the leg in front. We don't need to actually rotate it out. Now it's your turn. Share with me some variations or adaptations that you've done or seen or practiced in bound angle. If you liked this video, be sure to give me a like or share it with your fellow yoga teachers.